Good morning all. Today we start with the last module of operation research. In that initially there are some theoretical concepts are there. You just go through this. Then we have the problems based on converting the given linear programming problems, that is LPP problems, into dual problems. Okay, so how to convert these primal equation to dual equation? For that we have a series of steps here. Total 6 steps are there. So in that, first step is that convert the objective function to maximization. Okay, so while converting the given LPP, initially the given equation is of maximum. Okay, if it is minimum is there, convert to maximum as you done in the two-phase method and big M method. So multiply with the -1, convert into maximization if it is minimum. If already maximum is there, directly keep it as it is. No need to convert. Then second step. So in the dual conversion, all the constants are of the type less than only. But if any constant is of greater than, convert it into less than by multiplying both the side by -1. Then it is third step. For example, if the constants are of neither less than nor greater than, but it is of equal symbol, then such kind of equations are converted into two equation. Okay, so how to two equation? First, x plus 2y less than equal to 4, then x plus 2y greater than equal to 4. So equal will be converted into 1 less than, 1 greater than. Then less than we keep it as it is, because for the dual conversion we require less than only. But here it is greater than, we convert into less than as of the second step. Then after converting this equation into the less than and equal, go for the next step. So just go through this, the same thing is explained here. Then converting this primal equation to dual, for this we perform some transpose. While solving the example, you will come to know. Then next it is an important bit for the exam point of view. Many time in all the question paper, this question is a compulsory question. Okay, so just go through it, a theoretical part. Then we start with the problem. So first problem, maximize z is equal to 40x1 plus 50x2. It is already maximum is there, no need to convert. Then second and third constants are of less than, so no need of any convert. So directly we go for finding the dual. So first maximum is converted into minimum, so write max to min. Then this 40 and 50 will write at the right side of the constraints. Okay, then these less than are equal to convert into right side, greater than or equal. Okay, then this come to the constraint 2x1 3x2 less than equal to 3. So in z equation 40 and 50 are written for the constraints towards right side, and this less than symbols are converted into greater than symbol for the constraint. Then next step, this first column values you can consider it as a column, so it can be written as 2w1. Okay, then this can be written as 8w2, that is 2w1 8w2. Similarly for second x2 coefficient 3w1 4w2, 3w1 4w2, that we write. Okay, so we'll go for the next bit. Once again I will explain. So whenever given problem is maximum, then z is given 40 and 50 are coefficient of x1 and x2 can be replaced with right side of the constraint. Okay, that will be written as 40 and 50. Then here it is for the constraint is less than, both the constraints are of less than, now you have to write here the greater than. Then these x1 coefficient in both the equation are transposed in the row wise. That is why it is 2w1 8w2, 2w1 8w2. Similarly 3w1 plus 4w2, 3w1 plus 4w2. Okay, then you go for the second step, second problem. Just look at here, it is also maximum z equal to x1 plus 2x2 plus x3. Then first constant is of less than, we keep it as it is. But just look at here, while converting dual, all the constants should be less than, but the second constant is of greater than. So we convert it into less than by multiplying both the side by -1. So after doing this, we get like this. So it is the second equation now. So first is as it is, third is as it is, but second is converted into this one. Now apply the dual steps. So this, what are the coefficients of maximum here? Z is x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x3 is 1. So these 1, 2 and 3 will be written for 3 right side values of the 3 constant, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here it is less than, for second it is less than, third equation it is less than. So convert them into greater than. By default value is right, greater than only. Then 2 second equation, 2 third equation, 4. So you can write it as 2w1, 2w2, 4w3. That is 2w1 plus 2w2 plus 4w3. So done like this. Then second constant minus w1 minus w2 plus w3. Okay. Similarly third constant minus w1 plus 5w2 plus w3. Okay, right. Then write where w1, w2, w3 greater than equal to 0, default constant. Similarly, we go for third example. Okay, for third example, the first constant is of less than, keep it as it is, but second constant is greater than, so convert into less than by multiplying -1 on both sides. To make it simplify, just rewrite the equation so that while converting dual, it will be easier for you. So z will be remain as it is, the first equation as it is, but second equation we converted into less than. Then we write it like this. Then third equation less than is there, so keep it as it is. Then apply the dual. Then what are the coefficient of z is? X1 is 3, x2 is -1, x3 is +1. So write 3 -1 +1. Then here the less thans are converted into the greater than for the constant. Then 4 minus 8, 5. That is 4w1 minus 8w2 plus 5w3. Similarly, for second equation, minus is there, minus w1 minus w2, but there is no x3 x2 coefficient is there. There is no x2 variable, so that we must write it right here 0w3. That is 0 minus w1 minus w2 plus 0w3, because here there is no x2. Then here there is no x3 is there, third equation x3 is there, so that 0w1 minus 3w2 minus 6w3. Okay, write it here. Okay, then fourth example, just look at here. Already maximum is there, keep it as it is. This one first constant, keep it as it is because it is less than. But second constant is of equal. So as we know that whenever equal symbol is there, this should be converted into two more equation. So how we are converting? So one is less than and the one is greater than. Less than we keep it as it is, but greater than we must convert it into less than, so that multiply entire equation with -1, we get like this. So only one equation is converted into two equation, that is second constants are converted into second and third. Then third constant is of greater than, so make it less than by multiplying -1 and both sides. Then rewrite the equation. One is as it is, second constant converted into two equation, then third constant is greater than converted into less than. Then apply 12 steps get the solution. Okay, so this is the first part of the module 5. This much is sufficient to write one part from the third module. Okay, you can write it for 20 marks or 60 marks, 16 marks. Okay, so once college will start, if will cover the second bit of the third module. This much is sufficient. You can able to attempt one question from this part. That is, in the part 3, you can able to cover one full bit. Thank you. If any doubts are there, you just message me.